Kitty. I am not sure if I want to do this. Oh well, I need to. So, I'm going to play Kitty. Neighborhood. Let's go to the neighborhood. I always love going to the neighborhood. Oh no. Am I the cat? Oh yes, I love chasing mice. Ha 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 ha. Wait. What has gotten into me? I love mice. I'm gonna chase them all day now. Ha 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 ha. I love eating mice. They are my children. They're so yummy. I love eating mice. Goodbye, Mrs. Mouse. I don't know your gender. Come back here. Hey, come back. Come back, come back. I love mice. No, why am I doing this? I used to be a mouse myself. You will all be mine. I'm almost got you. Ha ha. Now I can trap them all in the cage and eat them. Hello, little mousie. What do you think you're doing here? Yes, I won. I ate all of the mice, and they didn't get any cheese. I love eating little mice. They are so scrummy, yummy, umptious. Yum. Wait. I'm not a cat anymore. Oh no. I ate a mouse, and then they turned into a cat, and now they're coming to haunt me and eat me. This is really bad. Okay. I just saw a cat. Why do I sound like this? I don't know why I sound like this, but I need to get out of here now. I've got a key card. What shall I do? Oh, I guess nothing really. Oh no, my friends are stuck. I need to help them. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to catch you before. I'm sorry. Don't chase me. I'm innocent. Hey, he'll never find me in here. Ha ha ha. Oh well, I need to use this crowbar. And I'm going to get these down. Perfect. Kitty, what? Is he guarding them? Oh, no, I don't think so. I need to stay in here for the rest of my life.